Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul up here, and today we have a coffee request. If you want to request a video, click over here or go on to buy me a coffee. Link is in the description, and thank you so much for your support. Kamsamida Nami for requesting this video. Nami requested this video saying, one more song by Tom and Jerry. La Ultima Noche. Tom and Jerry. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe so you can find my future videos, and join us on Discord. The link is in the description. Let's check out Tom and Jerry. Can anybody explain to Whiplash who Tom and Jerry is?
La última noche que pasé contigo, quisiera olvidar la mejor de podido. La última noche que pasé contigo, tengo que olvidarla por mi piel. Porque le fuiste.
No, I know, but Mingyu is the cat. Cat and mouse. And this is his nemesis friend.
La última noche que pasé contigo, quisiera olvidarla todo mi piel testigo. De acuerdo los momentos en que fuiste mía, hoy que bobada de mi ser.
Look at him dancing.
Última noche que pasé contigo, quisiera olvidarla pero no he podido. La última noche que pasé contigo, tengo que olvidarlo porque le fuiste aquella noche, porque le fuiste sin regresar y me dejaste aquella noche como recuerdo de tu nación.
Okay, we're pausing halfway. I feel like there's gonna be like a dance number coming up. So Mingyu's nickname by the fans is Cat, and Woodham is actually a bear, but they perform together, just the two, and they are Tom and Jerry. Okay, let's go. Nice. See, dance number. There's Woodham. Wow. Dang. The band is really good. Julian. Okay, let me explain. From what I understand and from what I remember from the video we saw, Tom and Jerry, Mingyu is the cat, and Miraclass has the leader, who is Julian, and they were bickering, right? They were like they were cat and mouse, because they're both musical geniuses and they're nemesis, and then they were paired up together, and that's why it's called Tom and Jerry. Is that accurate? Nina. Nemesis, rivals. Okay. So, the cat and mouse story. La Ultima Noche, Tom and Jerry. So, Julian and Mingyu performing La Ultima Noche. They have such good chemistry. I was gonna say they're actually best friends. You know, the rival thing is they look like best friends. The rival thing is just like a narrative for the show, I guess. Still great together. PS2, Phantom 2. Okay, guys. Fun fact: Tom and Jerry from the cartoon are actually best friends. It just doesn't portray it as it. Yeah, so the theory is that Tom and Jerry are actually best friends, and Tom has to pretend that it's trying to catch Jerry so that Tom won't be replaced for a cat who will actually do the job. So Tom is protecting Jerry. Well, at least that's the theory I know. Anyways, that was pretty fun. Thank you so much, Nami. I saw Woodham in the backstage. He was gonna perform right after, right? We're gonna go to the next video, which is musical Death Note, Bei Duhoon. Okay. I hope this video doesn't get blocked, by the way. But if it does get blocked, then you can watch it on Buy Me a Coffee unblurred. I hope it doesn't. But yeah, I guess that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and request a video if you want to, like Nami did. Or click over here to see my first solo playlist. Take care for now. Bye-bye.